everybody. So nice to see you guys. So nice to see you. Bang on time. Yes, that's awesome. And yes, Prince, this guy is really like, before me launching, he reached me out in my messenger and like, let's start, let's start. Yes, I'll do it, buddy. Love your spirit, love your spirit. Yes, 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 guys. Awesome stuff, awesome stuff. Waiting for 10 p.m., waiting for energizing ourselves, waiting for triggering ourselves to the whole new level. Awesome spirit, guys. Lovely bunch of people, amazing bunch of people. These are the people who will change their lives. Yes, I'm talking about you. Yes, look at yourself. Yes, look at yourself. Look at yourself. You would be changing your life, guys. Massive impact, massive people, big career opportunities in front of you, just waiting to be uncovered. The mysteries of the world, everything is just going to be right laid down in front of you guys, and you just have to walk your journey on top of that. Yes, this is me, Tausif Sheikh, trying to be back, trying to show you what I know, trying to show you what I do on a daily basis, and I have really got lot of great results with that. I want to share it out with you people, and this is really amazing. The time right now is 9:59 p.m. Yes, 9:59. We are a bit early than 10 because I just wanted to give up a warm up kind of a time, give some time so that these Facebook notifications and the pushes sink it down to the people, and all those souls who wants to do something big in life gets the opportunity to click it up nicely and then make their life whatever they want. You are limited only by your imagination, and we don't want to give excuses to people so they complain in future. We want them to connect and get started. Yes, guys, the time right now is 10 p.m. Awesome journey, awesome time. Nice to see all you people, and we would be getting started with our fourth day of life transformation. Okay, so what we are doing here, we are working on consistency, we are working on changing our mindset, we are working on attracting positivity and cutting down negativity. All of our past would have been painful, but today is the time when you cut their past. It gets behind you, and today you emerge as a more stronger personality, a more dominating soul on the planet. Now that is amazing, incredible bunch of people, and we would be getting started. Yes, we would be getting started with the fourth day, guys. Yes, awesome. And all you people who have completed all the 4 days along with this journey, let me tell you that you have started a very wild wire. It's a spark right now, but if you keep pumping it would transform into a huge wild fire which would just take away everything in the world, and your limitations would all be gone away with this fire. You would rise up as a strong personality, you would rise up as a more dominating force in the world, and this is what is your truth. It is a spark right now, but once it flames, it would be showing light to the entire world, and that is in your destiny. The power inside you was sleeping so far, but now it is going to get awakened by your daily efforts. Thanks for showing, thanks for taking responsibility of your life, guys. Amazing stuff. And now let's get started. The time right now is 10:02 p.m. and we want to give huge value to all those people who deserve, to all those people who believe, and to all those people who wants to do something great in life. Yes, let's get started for our today's session. Okay, so it's very pretty important thing, guys. What we are doing, we are trying to change our brain, change and improve and implement such a kind of a concepts on a regular basis in our life, so that our future is bright with full of results, full of colors, full of happiness and amazing future for us, right? We are trying to do this kind of a transformation. Now you need to understand few things, guys. Okay, what happens is, you get out from your college days, okay, all those time is gone, whatever we have lived so far, maybe 20 years, 25 years, 30 years, or even more, whatever life you have lived so far, okay, you pass all that time, and then you come to this world where you want to earn, where you want to make money, where you want to do business, where you want to do a lot of things. And it's like, now next 60 years you will be in this game, in this zone of doing something great every single day. Now what happens, life would give you challenges, some of the people overcome it, some of the people don't do that. right? And those people who actually convert it into results become successful, others still lag behind. Now this is what we are trying to break as part of these sessions, by trying to put ourselves into that bracket of successful, highly successful people. But you need to understand what is going wrong here. Why is so much of dominant population of the world not able to achieve success, and they are getting failed, they are getting miserable, they are getting dependent on people? What is the reason behind that? We need to uncover these secrets, then only you can walk towards glory. And guys, I want to tell you one very big eye opener, what I have personally felt and believed, and I think that's the real truth of situation, guys. Okay? And the reality of life is, in life, becoming successful is not mandatory. I repeat it once again. In life, becoming successful is not mandatory. That's left on to the individuals. It is not compulsory to become successful, guys. It's left up to you. It's left up to me. Like what we do on our lives. Okay? Just relate with this situation, guys. When you are in your schooling or your academics, at that time, there are pretty high pressure tight situations created on you, right? Like every year you need to give the exam, pass the exam, and then you move to the next year. A continuous pattern which you keep doing every single day. So now you have been doing that right from the schooling till your academics, and what do you see? On an average, okay, on an average, almost 80% of the people pass. Yes or no? There would be very few portion, like 20%. It is a big amount, but it is less. What we were talking earlier, 20% people succeed or 80% fail. But when you look back in your academics and your schooling days and all that, what observation coming through is like 80% people are succeeding. That's the definition of success in your college and school, right? Passing the examination, moving on, and then there is like merits and all that. That's a different zone, but passing and moving on, that's the definition of success. And that 80% is becoming successful, 20% people failing. Now, big thing to realize, what is happening when you step into this world, why the equation is changing around, why this big transformation. And that's where you need to realize, in your college, in your schooling days, it was mandatory for moving further in life to the next year. It was mandatory to give examinations and pass those examinations with some cutoffs, with some proper scores. Then only you move further. Now the realization which you need to have here, guys, very important realization which you need to have here: when it is made mandatory for you to do something, your brain puts every effort to make it possible. Yes or no? When you were in your school, when you were in your college, there was a defined target and you were going to achieve it, and you achieved it. 80% of the people, almost I think everybody sitting right in this group, would have passed it successfully. Massive people. What happens after that? When you jump into this world, at that time, nobody is defining success for you. Nobody is forcing you to become successful, like in next 2 years you have to become this. There is no restrictions like that. Now what is happening? The brain has become directionless. It does not know what exactly needs to be done. And then what happens? You just get along with the society rules and what the society says. You need to have a home, you need to have a car, you need to earn nicely, you need to have a marriage, you need to have some kids. Live your life. That's what society says. But the question is that the real definition of success? Is that what success is? And the definition of success depends from person to person, differs from person to person. But what I call that, in my opinion, that's not success, guys. In my opinion, that's living an average expected life. Where yes, you have money, where yes, you are living your everyday, you have a family, you have your house, you have your vehicle, you have everything of that. But that's not the success, guys. The success is realizing what true potential you have. Realizing